Tai Chi is all about reconciling opposites, the yang and yin of life. I want you to think of your body in a different way for the next minute. Stand upright with your knees slightly bent. Think about opposites. Be aware, firstly, of the polarity of front and back. Now shift your attention to the left and right of your body. Now be aware of a top and a bottom of your body. The top should feel as it is connected to the sky, like being suspended on a golden thread, as the Tai Chi classic text tells us. The feet, meanwhile, are like roots connected deep into the earth, supporting and sustaining us as if drawing up energy. Finally, think of the inside and the outside of the body. Just keep thinking of all those opposites and try to bring them all together for 1 minute. That is start of a Tai Chi experience.